Hi guys, this is K. Chokalingam from CPGS and Go. Stay home, stay safe is extended by our Honorable PM, and he has said to follow 7 things. One amongst them is Arogya Setu App. Let us know about it. This app works efficiently when each of smartphone holders installs it. This is why our PM has said to use this app. Size of it is so light enough of 3.6 MB only, more than 10 million downloads. Be one among 10 million. NIC provides the app, that is National Informatics Center. Now let's see how to use it. Open App Store in iOS. If yours is an Android, open Play Store. Search for Arogya Setu. As a search result, lovely orange heart with green tick appears. Download and install. Open the app. Select the language. It is available in 11 different languages. 4 slides are highlighted. Go through them. Click register now. Terms of service and privacy will appear. Click I agree. Allow the location to access. Enter mobile number. Submit it. You will receive 6-digit OTP. Enter the received OTP. Arogya Setu will ask for personal details such as what is your gender, full name, age, profession, countries traveled outside in last 30 days, ready to volunteer in the time of need, confirm submission. After this, our entered data are saved. Still questions follows such as are you feeling well? Take 20 seconds self-assessment test. The information we are providing is used for monitoring and management of the current health crisis. Answer them with appropriate ones. It indicates your current status in green if you are safe. Few instructions are given to follow during the epic pandemic situation. We can even donate using UPI to PM Cares. Friends, take self-assessment test frequently and share app as much as you can. Now you are ready with the app. If you move out, all will appear common to you. But if any contact of COVID-19 who uses the same app is around, app automatically pops an alert message and instructs us what to do. That's why we are using this app. Thank you friends. Share as much as we can until every Indian installs it. Jai Hind.